Welcome to this video on how to customize your process documentation in BIZUIT. How can you customize your process documentation to meet the specific needs of your organization? As we just saw, when selecting the documentation option, BIZUIT will ask you which template you want to use. These templates are loaded from the Report Templates folder inside your BIZUIT Designer installation path. To modify an existing template or create a new one, simply open it in Word. Select the language you want to edit, and then customize it by adding your own sections, such as extra notes or company-specific formatting. In this example, we'll delete a custom logo. And modify a few template properties before saving it. Now, when we go back to generate the documentation, we'll see that the old BIZUIT logo has been deleted, and instead of the placeholder event name, we now see the actual process name. One final tip: always make sure that all key details are included before sharing your documentation. A well-customized document strengthens understanding and improves process management across the entire organization.